greatest moments. Marriage. Esther and Blessing, you have found each other. We're here to give recognition to the worth and beauty of love and to add our best wishes and blessings to the words that will unite Esther and Blessing in marriage. To delight in all the seasons this summer of your love and the promise of an exquisite, adventurous, joyful life together. You have really taken the road less travelled to showcase your love story and marriage, from Nigeria to Japan and all the challenges of the past year. I invite you to enjoy this lovely, simple ceremony in this most beautiful of secret gardens, connecting both places and two hearts.
First, I would like to say I'm sorry that your mom can't make it here today to experience this beautiful day, and your sister, because I know how much they really mean to you, and I'm promising that, don't worry, we'll throw a big party when we get back to Nigeria. Okay, but Esther, you mean the world to me. I remember the day we met at the bus stop. You were looking very angry, but still I saw something in you that drew me closer to you. I was so much attracted to you from that very moment, and I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you, but then I knew something good would definitely come out from us. So you know me better than anyone else in the world, and somehow you still manage to love me. You are my best friend, my special one, my partner in crime, the one that makes me smile even when I'm alone, my girlfriend, and I think now I can say my wife, right? Okay, there is still a part of me today that can't believe that we are here today, even after everything we've been through together in the past. For that reason, I'm making these promises to you. I promise you with the strength of God and the help of God to love and cherish you, just as Christ loves the church and gave himself up for her. I vow to love you as much as I love myself. I will try with God's grace every way to be worthy of your love. I will always be honest with you, be kind, patient, and forgiving. I promise to try to be on time. I promise to put you first, even before Manchester United.
Yeah, you should.
Even before Manchester, don't worry, I'll put you first, okay? I promise to stand by you even when the road is rough, even during zombie apocalypse. I promise to stay with you, okay?
It's crazy.
I vow to help you chase your dreams. I promise to be a loyal friend, a brother, a sister, a mother, a father, and husband to you and our unborn children, especially Daisy.
Yeah, Daisy.
I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you. I would like to end this with a Bible passage, Ruth 1 verse 16 to 17. Wherever you go, I will go. Wherever you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God will be my God. Where you die, I will die, and there I will be buried. May the Lord do the same to me as he has done to you, and more also. And if anything, death separates me from you to always and forever.
To always and forever.
feels like a dream to me. Our love story is a unique one that I love so much, and I remember every time we talk about it, we giggle and smile because it's just one of a kind. All the way from our university days, my first year in school and your second year in school, we've been together, and all the way down here to Japan. We've been through so much together, and we've literally watched each other grow. And I talk to myself sometimes about how God kept you in my life. He made you specially for me. My lowest point, you're always there to hear me out and encourage me on days when I feel like I can't continue. You're always there to push me and help me walk through whatever situation it is. The confidence you have in me is just so much, and sometimes I wonder if I have that much confidence in myself. You're a friend, you're a partner, you're everything and even more than what I could ever imagine. You're kind, you're the sweetest person I know, the most intelligent, super intelligent,
Really?
the funniest and craziest person I know. And above all, you're God-fearing, extremely God-fearing. And this makes me feel so lucky and blessed to have you. I guess that's why we're both called Blessing.
Right.
Yeah, so you're everything I prayed for in a husband. On this day, I promise to love you forever.
Aww.
Be your happy place, be your peace of mind, your joy, and everything. Even days when things are not going so rosy, just know I'll always be here for you. You'd always have my shoulder to lean on. I can go on and on, but I'll just stop here. You already know how much I love you. Words not enough to compare how much I love you. I love you so much.
I know. I love you too.
Higher than I've ever known. You call the shots and I follow. Sunrise, but the night's still young. No words, but we speak in tongues. If you let me, I might say too much. Your touch blurred my vision. It's your word and I'm just in it. Even so, but I'm not thinking straight. 'Cause I love my face in love with you. I'm out my head, so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Ooh. Can't sleep 'cause I'm way too buzzed. Too late, now you're in my blood. Don't hate the way you keep me up. Your touch blurred my vision. It's your word and I'm just in it. Even so, but I'm not thinking straight. 'Cause I love my face in love with you. I'm out my head, so into you. And I don't know how you do it, but I'm forever ruined by you. Ooh. Can't sleep 'cause I'm way too buzzed. Too late, now you're in my blood. Don't hate the way you keep me up. Your touch blurred my vision. It's your word and I'm just in it. Even so, but I'm not thinking straight. 'Cause I love